Why Panama? Firstly, 365 days, good weather, rainy season and dry season. Secondly, here is American dollars. It's very important to, if you move from Canada or America or different countries, it's important to use American dollars. Third, this country is very good for business because they have a duty-free zones, business duty-free zones, maritime duty-free zones, and air duty-free zones. It's a beautiful for business. Plus, if you are living in a Panama City, yes, it has traffics, but not like on the different countries. It's a small traffic here. Be happy now.